I honestly thought this review was going to be really short. I opened Reve AI expecting another Midjourney clone, generated a couple of images, and figured I'd be done. That didn't happen. About 20 minutes in, I stopped comparing the pictures and started comparing how much work it took to get the picture I actually wanted. That's a completely different test. So I gave both tools the same prompts: product ads, YouTube thumbnails, realistic portraits, fantasy scenes, even some logo concepts just to see how far I could push them. The first thing I noticed, Reve AI was easier to figure out. I wasn't spending half my time wondering if my prompt was written the right way. I could describe what I wanted in plain English, and most of the time it got surprisingly close. Then I got a little too confident. I tried a really detailed cinematic prompt with specific lighting, camera angles, and tiny design details. That's when the cracks started showing. Some images look fantastic. Others completely ignored parts of the prompt. Honestly, I had the same thing happen with Midjourney once in a while, but I noticed it a little more often here. The feature I kept coming back to wasn't the image quality. It was how fast I could iterate, generate, change one sentence, generate again. Within 10 minutes, I had several usable options instead of chasing one perfect image for an hour. That ended up saving me more time than I expected. Now, can it replace Midjourney? For some people maybe. If you're creating YouTube thumbnails, marketing graphics, concept art, or social media content, Reve AI is probably capable enough that you won't feel limited most of the time. But if you're an artist who depends on absolute consistency, advanced prompt control, or a very specific visual style, Midjourney still has an edge in a lot of situations. Pricing matters too. If Reve AI gives you 90% of what you need for less money, or with a workflow you enjoy more, that's worth paying attention to. So, would I switch? Not completely. I'd probably keep Reve AI in my toolbox because it's fast, approachable, and surprisingly capable. But I wouldn't uninstall Midjourney either. If you're choosing between the two, run your own favorite prompt through both. Don't judge them by viral